Joe Beermaster, we have an Inofia model HD161A, and it's showing a code E7, that's error 7, and this could happen with any type of model dehumidifier, because the E7 code means that the water reservoir is full, but yet it's empty, so it will not operate properly. So I'm going to show you what the potential problem is with that and how to fix it real quick. You can also go online and get the download for troubleshooting these models, and it will give you solutions for other codes too. So for the E7, I'm going to show you how I figured it out. I open the back of it up, and I'm taking out the reservoir, which is empty. It thinks it's full. It's pretty simple. I looked at it. There's no switches or levers, but in the tank there's this little float here that turns when it gets full. I filled it with water and I could see it turned. And there's no switch or anything on the inside of the unit. I looked at that, looked up in there, no switch, so I figured it must be magnetic. And it almost looks like there's something missing out of here. So I don't know how I missed it. I looked in the bottom of this tank here and I found this little magnet that fell out. And if you can't find that, sure you can get a magnet to fit in there. And we're gonna put that magnet back in here. We're gonna slide it in. Slide that in there. It doesn't really click in real good, so that's probably why it came out. Alright, so when that float comes up that fills with water, it tilts and it kicks a switch magnetically. So now I'm going to put it in. I haven't even tried this yet, but I know that this is going to fix it. And I'm going to shut it off. And turn it on, and now the code went away and it kicked on. It's working. So if you have that problem, that's likely the cause. It's probably common on these models because that magnet does not stay in there very good. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped and you can enjoy your dehumidifier.